Thank you for choosing DuroMax. We're here to support you no matter what your power needs are. Whether you're at home, on a camping trip, or at the job site, your DuroMax generator will keep you powered. We're excited to walk you through the process of setting up your brand new generator. If the generator you purchased is over 150 pounds, you'll receive a phone call from a local trucking service to schedule a delivery appointment. If it's less than 150 pounds, it'll arrive via ground service with no appointment necessary. Inside your box, you'll find your generator, instruction manual, tool set, spark plug wrench, wheel and handle kit, oil funnel, and if your generator is a dual fuel model, you'll also receive a propane regulator. Prior to use, you'll need engine oil. We recommend 10W30. Get your generator up and running with these easy steps. 1. Make sure to read the instruction manual for your exact model. Step 2. Remove the shipping brace. Step 3. Attach the support brackets. 4. Attach the handles. 5. Attach the wheels. Step 6. Take your generator outside. As a reminder, make sure you only operate your generator outdoors, away from open doors and windows to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning. For added safety, the DuroMax HX series comes equipped with CO Alert technology, which automatically shuts down your generator when an unsafe level of carbon monoxide is detected. Step 7. Connect the battery. Step 8. Add oil. Step 9. Select your fuel. DuroMax dual fuel technology allows you to operate your generator on either gasoline or liquid propane, giving you the freedom and flexibility of fuel choice. If using gasoline, fill the tank. If using propane, connect the propane line to your generator and the propane tank. Step 10. Check the handy quick start guide for a step-by-step list on how to start your specific model. Then start your engine. That's it. During a power outage, being able to keep your lights on and your household appliances running will offer your family safety, comfort, and a peace of mind. Enjoy safe and reliable power whenever and wherever you need it. For more information, visit us online at DuroMaxPower.com or give us a call at 844-DuroMax. DuroMax, powering everyone, anywhere.